I'm Samara Kaufman Aviv, co-author of the Acid Watcher Cookbook. How I got involved in this is actually a personal story. Since I was a kid, I suffered with chronic sinus infections. I had a hoarse voice, I cleared my throat incessantly, I had postnasal drip, and the doctors thought that I had allergies and sinus disease. And I underwent sinus surgery, but I never got better because my symptoms were not coming from sinus disease, they were stemming from acid reflux disease, which I didn't know because my symptoms were caused by my diet, not sinus disease. So I changed my diet. My symptoms vastly improved, which was a huge relief from the Acid Watcher diet, but I ultimately found it to be too restrictive, and I got really tired of making the same meals over and over again and of making a separate meal for myself and my family. That's when I decided to push the limits of what would be possible with the concept of neutralization, to bring back foods and flavors that I thought I would never be able to enjoy again. I thought I would never be able to enjoy vinegar, citrus, tomato sauce. Some of our favorite recipes from this book are the marinara sauce, the pico de gallo salsa, and the open sesame tahini cookies, the chocolate chip cookies, which we can't keep for more than an evening in this house.